Hi Math Angels! Welcome back to my channel and be matalino with Miss Cortez. For today's discussion, we will have a supplementary video for Mathematics Grade 10, Module 3, entitled Arithmetic Means, N Term, and Sum of Arithmetic Sequence. Objectives: determine the arithmetic means and the nth term, and find the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Before we start our discussion, you may answer your pre-test in your module, page 2. Now, we are going to discuss arithmetic means. What is an arithmetic means? When three numbers x, a, y are in a sequence, then A is called the arithmetic mean of the numbers x and y. Given that x, a, y is in a sequence, then their common difference D is constant. Napag-usapan na natin o na-discuss na natin noong nakaraang module or lesson, ang common difference ay makukuha kapag sinubtract natin ang two succeeding terms. In this given, we have a minus x is equal to d and y minus a is equal to d. Therefore, ang common difference nila ay constant o magkapareho, which is a minus x is equal to y minus a. So we will have 2a is equal to x plus y. Thus, the required arithmetic mean of two numbers is a is equal to x plus y over 2. We have here example number 1. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 8 and 26. So we have 8, blank, 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 and 26. Solution: given that the first term a sub 1 is equal to 8, a sub n, which is the last term, is equal to 26, and the n is equal to 5 since there are 5 terms in a sequence. So, paano natin mahahanap yung tatlong nawawalang arithmetic means? So, una, kailangan natin i-solve ang common difference using the general rule form. Nung nakaraang module or lesson, napag-usapan na rin natin kung ano ang general rule form. Ito ay a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. So, kailangan lang natin i-substitute ang mga given sa ating general rule form, which is 26 is equal to 8 plus 5 minus 1d. So, to simplify, we will have 26 is equal to 8 plus 4d. 26 minus 8 is equal to 4d. 18 is equal to 4d. And the result as a common difference is 4.5. Itong common difference ang ating gagamitin upang makuha ang mga arithmetic means by adding it to the preceding terms. So, ang ating term na 8, blank, 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 and 26. So, si first term, mag-add tayo ng 4.5, which is the common difference. It will be 12.5. Mag-add ulit tayo ng 4.5, it will be 17. 17 plus 4.5 is equal to 21.5. Therefore, the three arithmetic means between 8 and 26 are 12.5, 17, and 21.5. Try this problem. Insert 5 arithmetic means between 23 and 65. Let's proceed with the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Given an arithmetic sequence with the first term denoted as a sub 1 and the common difference denoted as d, the nth term is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d, or also known as the general rule form. We have the example number 1. Find the 27th term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on and so forth. Given that we have the first term denoted as a sub 1 is equal to 5 and the common difference denoted as d is equal to 3. Since 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 11 minus 8 is equal to 3, and so on. So we are looking for the 27th term denoted as a sub 27. Solution, we are going to use the general rule, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. We are just going to substitute the given from the general rule. So we have a sub 27 is equal to 5 plus 27 minus 1 times 3. We are going to simplify. A sub 27 is equal to 5 plus 26 times 3. Simplify again. We have a sub 27 is equal to 5 plus 78. Now, we have a sub 27 is equal to 83. Therefore, the 27th term in the arithmetic sequence is 83. We will have example number 2. Determine the 40th term of the arithmetic sequence in which a sub 8 is equal to 60 and a sub 12 is equal to 48. We are going to find the 40th term denoted as a sub 40. For the solution, first, kailangan natin hanapin ang first term as a sub 1 and the common difference d using the general rule a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. Given natin si a sub 8 is equal to 60. So, ang kailangan natin is-substitute ang ating given na a sub 8 sa ating general rule. So, meron tayong 60 is equal to a sub 1 plus 8 minus 1 d. To simplify, we have 60 is equal to a sub 1 plus 7d. Ito ang ating magiging equation number 1. Second given is the a sub 12 is equal to 48. Isa-substitute din natin ang given sa ating general rule form, which will be 48 is equal to a sub 1 plus 12 minus 1d. The result is 48 is equal to a sub 1 plus 11d. Ito ang ating magiging equation number 2. To solve for the common difference d, subtract the equation 2 from equation 1. Ito ang ating magiging equation. The result will be 12 is equal to negative 40. Para malaman natin kung ano ang value ng d, kailangan natin i-divide both sides by negative 4. The result, d, is equal to negative 3. Therefore, the common difference is negative 3. To solve naman, para sa first term natin, a sub 1, substitute the value of the common difference from either equation 1 or equation 2. Mamimili lang po kayo sa equation 1 or equation 2 dahil kahit saan naman po dyan sa dalawa, pareho lang po ang magiging resulta. So, pipiliin natin for today's example sa equation number 1, which is 60 is equal to a sub 1 plus 7d. Isa-substitute natin ang common difference natin kay equation number 1, that will be 60 is equal to a sub 1 plus 7 times negative 3. To simplify, we have 60 is equal to a sub 1 minus 21. 60 plus 21 is equal to a sub 1. We have the result a sub 1 is equal to 81. Therefore, the first term is 81. To solve for the value of a sub 40, where the common difference is negative 3 and the first term is 81, kung saan yun ang sinolve natin kanina, gagamitin ulit natin ang general rule form. Substitute the values of the common difference in the first term. We have a sub 40 is equal to 81 plus 40 minus 1 times negative 3. To simplify, we have a sub 40 is equal to 81 plus 39 times 3. The result is a sub 40 is equal to 81 minus 117. Therefore, the 40th term in the arithmetic sequence is negative 36. Try this problem. Find the 32nd term of the arithmetic sequence 67, 75, 83, 91, and so on and so forth. Second, determine the 30th term of the arithmetic sequence in which a sub 7 is equal to 15 and a sub 10 is equal to 33. Now, let's proceed for the sum of terms of arithmetic sequence. The sum of arithmetic sequence is also called as arithmetic series. It is obtained by adding all the terms in the given sequence. Example, meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on hanggang a sub n. Therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. Pero kapag inad na natin ang kada terms ng arithmetic sequence, we will have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 hanggang sa last term na to na a sub n, yan ay tinatawag ng arithmetic series. Alam nyo bang dahil sa mathematician na ito, mas mapapadali ang paghahanap ng sum of terms ng arithmetic sequence? Ayon sa kwento, nung siya ay nasa elementarya pa lamang, ay pinag-solve siya ng kanyang guro na hanapin ang sum of terms starting from 1 to 100 at ito ay nagawa niya ng segundo lamang. Siya ay si Carl Friedrich Gauss na ipinanganak noong 1777 at namatay noong 1885. Siya ang nakatuklas ng formula para sa sum of terms of arithmetic sequence. Ito ang mga formula, which is S of n is equal to n over 2, open parenthesis, a sub 1 plus a sub n, close parenthesis, or S of n is equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2 a sub 1 plus, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis, d, where S is the sum of terms, n is the number of terms, a sub 1 as the first term, and a sub n as the last term. Example number 1. Using the formula S of n is equal to n over 2, open parenthesis, a sub 1 plus a sub n, close parenthesis. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 9, 15, 21, 27, and so on and so forth. We are going to find the sum of the first 20 terms denoted as S of 20, given that we have a sub 1 which is 9, n which is 20, and the common difference which is 6. Solution. Using the formula given, we are just going to substitute the given to the formula, which will be S of 20 is equal to 20 over 2, open parenthesis, 9 plus a sub n. Take a look that a sub n is missing. Therefore, we have to get the value of a sub n or a sub 20 using the general rule. Using the formula of the general rule, we have to substitute again the given to the general rule. We have a sub 20 is equal to 9 plus 20 minus 1 times 6. If we are going to simplify, we have a sub 20 is equal to 9 plus 19 times 6. So we will have a sub 20 is equal to 9 plus 114. The result will be the a sub 20 or the a sub n is equal to 123. Therefore, we can solve now the S of 20, which is 20 over 2 is open parenthesis 9 plus 123. So we have S of 20 is equal to 20 over 2 times 132. So we have S of 20 is equal to 2,640 over 2. The result is the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 1,320. Pero tandaan natin, meron pa tayong second formula or binibigyan tayo ng option kung saan tayo mas mapapadali mag-solve, which is the equation is S of n is equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2 a sub 1 plus, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis, d, close bracket. So to find the sum of the first 20 terms denoted as S of 20, given that a sub 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 20, and d is equal to 6. We are just going to substitute the given to the formula. We have S of 20 is equal to 20 over 2, open bracket, 2 times 9 plus 20 minus 1 times 6. To simplify, we have S of 20 is equal to 20 over 2, open bracket, 18 plus 114, close bracket. So we have S of 20 is equal to 20 over 2 times 132. Therefore, S of 20 is equal to 1,320. We have the same answer with the first formula that we used that is asked for the problem. Now, let's proceed to the sum of terms of arithmetic sequence given a statement. Example number 1. Integers from 1 to 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Given that we have the first term a sub 1 is equal to 1, we also have the last term a sub n is equal to 10, we have the n which is equal to 10 and the common difference which is equal to 1. Since we have two formulas, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung dalawang formula para meron kayong choices kung ano yung mas madali para sa inyo. The first formula, S of n is equal to n over 2, open parenthesis, a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given sa ating formula. Meron tayong S of 10 is equal to 10 over 2, open parenthesis, 1 plus 10. So, we will have S of 10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 11. The result is the sum of the integers from 1 to 10 using the first formula is 55. Okay, gamitin naman natin yung second formula na S of n is equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2, a sub 1 plus, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis, d. Isa-substitute lang ulit natin yung given sa ating formula. We will have S of 10 is equal to 10 over 2, open bracket, 2 times 1 plus 10 minus 1 times 1. So we will have S of 10 is equal to 10 over 2, open bracket, 2 plus 9. So we will have S of 10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 11. The result is the sum of the terms, integers from 1 to 10 is equal to 55. Therefore, kahit alinman sa dalawang formula ang inyong gagamitin, pareho po ang magiging resulta. Now, let's proceed to example number 2. Add integers from 1 to 25. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and 25. So, paano natin malalaman ang sum ng mga integers nito? Given that the first term is 1, the n is 13, and the common difference is 2, gagamitin ko yung second formula. Pero pwede nyo pa rin gamitin yung first formula according sa inyong gusto. So, substitute the given to the formula. We have S13 is equal to 13 over 2, open bracket, 2 times 1 plus 13 minus 1 times 2. So we have S of 13 is equal to 13 over 2, open bracket, 2 plus 24. So we have S of 13 is equal to 13 over 2 times 26. So the result is 169. Therefore, the sum of the odd integers from 1 to 25 is 169. Now, take note that knowledge is power. So try this. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence 31, 40, 49, 58, and so on and so forth. Next, find the sum of the numbers between 7 and 82 that are multiples of 3. Keep going! Congratulations! You have finished the first part of our discussion. Now it's time for you to answer the next task to enhance your understanding about arithmetic means, nth term, and the sum of arithmetic means. Task 1. Task 2. And Task 3. Great job! Now, please proceed to the succeeding activity, the assessment. Please open your module on pages 9 and 10 for the post-test and page 10 for the additional activities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates of mathematics supplementary video. Bye!